involved in field services can experience some challenges when managing inventory. It's difficult for these firms to keep track of all the stock in the different trucks. Fortunately, ERP solutions provide a practical approach to field service inventory management. Here is how you can use ERP to control field service truck inventory and why you need such a system. Field service management involves organizing and optimizing work operations outside of the office. These services range from sales, consultations, customer support, repair, and maintenance. It would help to note that companies offer different field services depending on their industry. It's crucial to consider how you manage field service staff, helping them juggle the various tasks they handle. The process also allows you to monitor individuals, mobile devices, and the tools dispatched while you keep track of the truck inventory. Your ERP provides a central system to track, organize, update, and streamline all of the tasks involved, resulting in a more efficient business. The Field Service Management System allows you to execute warehouse purchase order checks, ensuring your technicians have the required inventory. You can automate the purchasing process from making an order to witnessing its completion. After creating an order, the manager will approve it before sending the request to the supplier. Your technicians then get notified of the item and pick it up for work order execution. An adequate system streamlines all of these functions, allowing you to track inventory at every stage. Adjustments and transfers are much easier when you have an updated inventory. The process becomes even simpler if you have an effective ERP solution. Since ERPs emphasize a centralized database, your employees in the different trucks can access updated information. In case one of your technicians needs a specific item for an order, a simple search in the database will provide all the necessary information. The search results will show the nearest warehouse or truck the item is available, allowing them to pick it up and deliver it to your customer. Work orders are essential in coordinating on-site customer operations for your company. Your field service management system allows you to attach purchase orders and inventory lists to work orders in progress. It helps create accurate billing information without manually calculating the costs involved. You can also enjoy automated invoice generation, which is more accurate regardless of your inventory load. Most ERPs effectively track inventory levels in warehouses but compromise functionality when a mobile truck is involved. Creating a realistic field service environment will ensure you know how much inventory is in the dispatched trucks. Field service means inventory gets consumed on the road. You need software that provides inventory visibility on each vehicle to allow dispatchers to determine which unit has enough stock to execute specific orders. The system also helps with customer billing, replenishment processes, determining whether the sold units are under warranty, and creating parts dispositions. A smart field service management system helps track your inventory and the essential asset maintenance history. Some ERP solutions fail at recording asset history after significant time passes or when it changes ownership. You should consider a field service management system to keep track of the service and maintenance history of the assets. The system also allows you to track the parts consumed and work performed, fault codes, and any changes in the location during the asset's life cycle. Your ERP overlooks all processes in your organization, including contract management capability. Contract management capability includes customer expectations regarding pricing and service level agreements. However, complications could arise when the field service system is outside of your ERP. Integrating an ERP into your field service management system allows you to manage the different work orders effortlessly. You also get to do away with the tedious manual billing process. For seamless operations, your technicians should only focus on completing work orders. It's common for businesses to consider third-party solutions for high-volume tasks. However, a quality field service management system allows you to track these tasks and record them on a timely basis. The system lets you quickly debrief a high-volume call, helping you prepare the order for billing and execution using features like Salesforce Lightning. One reason why you need to consider field service inventory management is it improves customer experience significantly. The system provides your technicians with all the information and tools required to execute the customer order in detail. The more access they have, the more prepared they are when they show up, resulting in a faster, more satisfactory experience. Productivity increases as your workforce becomes more streamlined and coordinated. A field service management system provides a more organized approach to different order requirements, creating room for productivity. It's time you consider a field service management system to save time and money. The approach results in worry-free technicians since it gives them an overview of the inventory available and how much. Your workforce will not have to wait hours for inventory replenishment if you invest in the correct management system. Goldfinch ERP and Salesforce integration is among the few pairs that provide manufacturers with increased profitability, customer service, and administrative efficiency. The system offers a flexible solution to give your field service team the tools necessary to improve profitability and productivity. Here are the benefits of including Salesforce and Goldfinch in field service management. Fast service calls resolution, increased field service employees, real-time customer updates, automated scheduling and management of agents, technicians, and dispatchers, real-time visibility in all field service operations. All businesses must understand the significance of implementing a field service management system to control inventory. This system helps ensure your technicians remain equipped with enough stock while simplifying replenishment. You can optimize field service by integrating Salesforce and Goldfinch ERP into your management system. And to get started, contact us today.